Now let's start off with ionic compounds. Now, if you've understood the formation of sodium chloride, you might have seen that there are two opposite charges in one compound. And when you have two opposite charges in one compound, that is what actually is an ionic compound. Now, these ionic compounds have certain characteristics, and these characteristics have helped us in our day-to-day life. Now, let's start off with the physical state. Usually, these ionic compounds are solid in nature, and you can easily dissolve them in water to form something that we call as an electrolyte. These electrolytes are the same reason why we have our batteries, which may be used for anything that we want. And because we use them for our batteries, we can easily conclude that these electrolytes are electrically conductive. And if these electrolytes are electrically conductive, we can also say that these ionic compounds that we have are good conductors of electricity. Now let's talk about their melting and boiling point. These ionic compounds usually have a very high melting and a very high boiling point. Let's talk about NaCl itself. NaCl melts at around 1060 degrees Celsius and boils at around 1668 degrees Celsius, which is roughly 1700 degrees Celsius. Now, even if you look at other ionic compounds, you would see a similar trend wherein you have very high melting and boiling points, and that is why you have molten salts, which are also good conductors of electricity.